Happy December 10th. Let's see, here is number 10. Today we have, what is this? A Very Berry and Sage. Yep, Sage. Oh, here comes Danny. Can't have a moment's peace in this. Oh, gosh darn it. You just opened December 22nd on the stolen cakes. Thanks, Danny. You're so helpful. Here's the Chocolate House Santa on number 10. Sage, you can get that for me. Oh, Danny's sticking his nose in that too. What do we got here, guys? What do we got? Oh, I'm gonna dump it out. Can you grab that with your little paws for me? Can you grab that with your little paws? Can you? No? All right. There we go. It's a Santa. Not happy looking Santa, but there we go, Santa. Here's the stolen cakes. Oh, gosh darn it. I'm really bad about opening other doors accidentally. All right, man. 3 days in a row? Whatever. They're still good, but I like a little more variety in my advent calendars. And this one does not have much variety. Where's the cats when you need them? Jack? 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 Can you jump up here like your brother? No? If you want some treats. Oh, it's the beef jerky style. All right, I'm covering it. You guys ready? Go. No. Jack, you gotta be smarter than that. Oh, Jack nudged Sage out of the way. Here. Here you go, Sage. Oh, here. Can I get, here, I'll get it out for you. Make it easier. Here, scoot, let me get some. Okay, there we go. Nutmeg. Here you go, Nutmeg. Oh, you better hurry up. Here. Did you see that? She just covered it with her paw. I'll get you some, Danny. Danny, sit up there. I'll get you some. You guys, I gotta get some for Danny. There you go, Danny. Don't, that's Danny's. Sage, you already had some. That's Danny's. Here, Sage. Sage, there you go. Everyone is having some. Here, there you go, Nutmeg. One last piece. Time for the pop-up tree. And number 10 is right here. And we've got the Easter Bunny. If I can get him out. No, Sage, okay. You wanna hang this for me? I'll put it right there. It's the Easter Bunny. It's not edible. I'm sorry to disappoint you. Merry Christmas. You got some treats. You should be happy.